我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for tedˋ here on ICRT.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, the phrase we're teaching you over and over again is called 没关系, which means no problem.
没关系.
没关系. Okay, and so in what situation will we be using this today? How about, 你知道吗？有些人喜欢裤子破，你看我
故意给他
越破越好。
真的。
Okay, let's give you a situation where they're talking about some torn jeans. Okay, 我们听一下对话。
我最介意嘅褲爛鐵嘅，
沒關係，買新嘅褲就好了。
無愛布布啊，手做的繼續做。
繼續做是要繼續穿的意思，對不對？哎，聽起來好像是要把那個洞補起來這樣子哦。
是啊。
哦，不管你喜歡褲子破，還是想要補起來，還是買新的，都可以啦。All right, so let's break it down one by one here. 我最喜歡的褲子破掉了。My favorite pair of pants is ripped.
我最介意嘅褲。
我最介意嘅褲
爛鐵了。
爛鐵了就是
破掉了
哈，然後褲子叫做褲。Oh, 褲 is just pants, and then 爛鐵了 that means it's torn. All right. 然後我最喜歡叫做
我最介意。
我最介意 Okay, that means my favorite. No problem. Just buy a pair of new pants, right? 對方是這樣子說嘛，沒關係，買新的褲子就好了。
沒關係。
沒關係。
買新嘅褲。
買新嘅褲
就好了。
就好了。買新嘅褲 that means buy new pants. All right, and 沒關係 that means 沒關係 no problem. But the other person is like, no, I can just patch it up and wear it again, as we do with a lot of jeans, right? 不要補一補就可以繼續穿。
沒愛布布啊，手做的繼續做。
手做的繼續做。We have to learn 布布啊是什麼啊？
補一補啊，布布啊，手做的繼續做。
布布啊 that means to patch it up, 補一補。然後繼續做 okay, that means to continue to wear it. Let's review some of the vocabulary we brought up, including the pants, 褲子，褲 and then torn, 破掉了。
爛鐵了。
爛鐵了 that means torn, and then to patch it up, 補一補。
布布啊。
All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
我最介意嘅褲爛鐵嘅，
沒關係，買新嘅褲就好了。
無愛布布啊，手做的繼續做。
And this month, the phrase is no problem.
沒關係。
沒錯，沒關係。那這是tedˋ客家。
是唔太噶？
俺是誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.